Okay, so I have my iPad here with voiceover, and I have some light switches from the hardware store. I also have a Sanyo AM/FM radio cassette player, and what we're going to talk about are radio buttons and toggle switches. So a toggle switch is basically a switch that goes from off to on. And on my cassette player here, I have a toggle switch also that goes from radio to tape. So it's a switch that gives you one of two options. So I can tape player, tape's not playing now, or I could flip it on to the radio. Okay. On the top here, these aren't radio buttons like an old radio, but the concept can be similar. Radio buttons were named after radios that had preset stations where you would press in a button to select that station and then go to another preset. If you press that button, the other buttons would pop out. So that's similar to this. If I press fast forward and then I press rewind, both can't be selected at the same time. So with voiceover, we have those buttons. Right now on screen, I'm on the my control. I'm in settings, and there's the selection for app icons on the home screen if I want more icons or I want bigger icons. So I'll drag and hear what the options are.
More button.
So more button, and it doesn't tell me it's selected. Let me go to the other option.
Button selected. Bigger button.
So the bigger button is selected. The button is selected for bigger icons.
More button selected. Bigger button.
So if I wanted to select more, I could go over there.
More button.
And double tap.
Selected. More.
So now that's selected. Now down here I also have some toggle switches. So
keep today view on home screen. Off. Show suggested in recent apps and dock. Off.
So that's off.
Double tap to toggle setting.
Now I can toggle that setting.
On.
And now it's on. So these switches from the hardware store, this radio or a cassette player can demonstrate some of these concepts. I have another toggle switch here that I put yes and no on. I could put Braille on there just to demonstrate also how this kind of switch flips from two options. Okay.